Hey y'all, it's your girl D with the Harmony. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to do a video featuring LUVME hair. So I ordered their Ombre Balayage, I think it's called the T-part Glueless unit. So I actually have somewhere to run out to real quick, but I am going to slide it on and we're going to see how glueless it really is and how fast we can, you know, get it together. All right. So let me see. As y'all can see, I'm opening it for the first time with you. Okay. LUVME hair box. I'm sure we're all familiar with LUVME hair by now. They're literally everywhere. It's not my first time wearing one of their wigs. I've definitely worn one of their wigs before. It's absolutely one of my favorites. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVME hair. But yeah, I definitely have wigs from them. Well, one. I have one wig from them, and I actually love them. And of course, it comes with the 2-piece wig cap. You got some care instructions in here. And then you got your little pouch right here. This is so cute. Just put that down there for a second. Uh-oh. So this will be my second LUVME hair clip, because like I said, I have one of their wigs already. LUVME. Got the little edgy. And it's purple. I love how on brand they are. We got the bobby pins up, and they say LUVME on them. You got your little elastic band. Got a pair of tweezers. And we got the edgy wrap. Edgy wrap. All right. And then, of course, last but not least, my favorite part, we got our wig. So let's just slide this bad boy on and see what it's giving. Okay, curls. Oh, so on the inside of the wig, you guys, look, it has a thicker band, and this part can come off. And the strap right here is adjustable. That's rather dope. So, okay, it's giving me synthetic vibes. I don't recall this being a synthetic wig, but yeah, it feels a little synthetic wiggy. But I don't think it was a synthetic wig though. But I'm going to link everything for this particular wig in the description box. Right about now, I'm going to tighten it to how tight wigs I typically need my wigs to be in order to fit my head. As y'all can see, I got a little pea head. It's supposed to be glueless, so it's supposed to just lay right on down without a problem. See, this is why, a prime example of why you should never mess with anything. It was in there right and tight, nice and fine, before I messed with it. Now I done messed with it. All right, there we go. Got it. All right. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut all this lace off because it's glueless. So obviously I can do that. So I'm gonna cut all the lace off. I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation. Okay, I'll take that back. It's definitely not giving synthetic. Okay, this feels beautiful. Oh. It has 4 combs on the inside, so it's definitely staying wherever you need it to stay. It's gonna stay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and brush this out. All right. So I feel like you can wear this in the middle or you can wear it on the side. I'm more of a side person because honestly, I feel like this goes like this and like this on the sides. I feel like it's the perfect dimensions to wear it off to the side versus the middle. So of course it's not a full lace frontal. It's just that T-part section right there. Let me throw some makeup on here. We're gonna conceal a little bit, girl. Gonna use my handy dandy Cover FX. Give it another quick little brush through. All right, gonna slide this bad boy on one more time for the one time. All right, let's blend this part a little bit. It's definitely glueless though. It's definitely, see, like I didn't, of course, it's not a lot of lace to even glue in the first place. So, I mean, but let me see. As far as does it feel secure on my head, like it's not going to fly off or anything? Of course, because it has all of those bands in it and I stick my combs in like right up under my braids. A lot of times, depending on the type of wig I have, I'll cut the clips out. But on this one, I'm not going to. First of all, like, I just want to say, well, I wish I can make that lay a little flatter, but you know, first of all, I just want to say, like, this right here is just giving me life in itself. Like, what? Like, out the box? Out the box, sis? All right, so, okay, getting my Jessica Rabbit on. What's popping? What's good? But, okay, what I'm gonna do, just because I want it to have a little bit more depth, I'm gonna cut this just a little bit and then I'm gonna curl it, right? I got a lot going on my little table right here. Because as I told y'all, it's gonna be real quick so that I can get up out of here. So we just gonna do one of the old school real quicks. Boom. And look at that. Look at that. Y'all Y'all see how much more bounce that has? Listen, let me tell you something. First of all, I want to say I greatly appreciate the fact that y'all curled this wig before y'all sent it to me. This definitely made my life easier. I was wondering how long it was going to take me to put this on. I swear, you guys, this wasn't even like a 10-minute install. Like, I don't even think I've been doing this for 10 minutes. Like, baby, first of all, honey, okay? Like, listen, Linda, listen. Okay, I don't got time for this, y'all. I don't have time. I gotta go. But, oh, I did say I was gonna touch up that, area right here. Okay. It's like at the top, I feel like it's giving synthetic. I definitely feel like it's giving a little synthetic at the top, but you know, what can be worked with can be worked with. And this is bomb. Like, this is fine. I'm telling y'all, I gotta go back and I gotta read the specs because I gotta see if this is synthetic or not. I don't even remember if it was a synthetic wig. They did a damn good job. I mean, they did a good job, honey. But if it's not, they still did a good job. Like, hold on. All right, let's see. And whenever I do my little parts on my wig, I use this. It's a really cheap little LA Colors makeup contour palette. I got this from the beauty supply. Y'all can get it from the beauty supply. I think this was like $6.99 or something. Y'all can tell how much I use it. Like, look at it. Look at it. And I mixed like 3 colors together to get what I feel like is my skin. To get my skin and scalp. So I feel like the part is showing much better than it was, obviously, of course. So I'm going to hit this side real quick. And I'm just gonna refresh the curls because I feel like I legit don't even have to curl this whole wig because it's already curled and giving me life how it needs to. Okay. I was like, that was the test right there. We gonna see if it's synthetic or not, because if it burn off, y'all probably won't get the rest of this video. If it doesn't burn off and it's synthetic, y'all listen, okay? Love me for the win. Ooh. Ooh. We're gonna just wear this side a little behind my ear. Now I feel like that look wiggy. Like if I do it like that, I feel like that look a little wiggy. Hold on. Because the whole point is for us to not look like we have on a wig. Even though everybody's gonna clearly know that we have on a wig. Like, and yes, my hair is flat under there. You probably saw before I put the wig on. I have braids. My braids are flat, and I have them all to the bottom down there. I don't feel like I really need to disturb the nature of the bottom curls, but feel like these kind of tones and colors look so pretty on everybody's skin tone. Like, they can really complement everybody's skin tone, no matter what you are. You can be like super light, you can be very, very chocolate, you know, like your girl. But I mean, I just feel like it really complements everybody really well. Like, really, really well. So, boom. Boom. Finger flip. Boom. Did you see it? Hit different. Boom. Yes. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be feeling myself all day. All day. I feel myself every day, but now I'm really about to feel myself today. Like, yes, honey. Yes. Like, Miss Girl. Listen. Because who says you can't be quarantined fine in under 10 minutes? Hey, sis, I'm here to tell you, get up, go throw some makeup on. Well, first go wash your ass, go put some makeup on, and go purchase a wig from LUVME. A little 10-second tidy, okay? Let me tell you something, okay? It's giving all the feels, all the vibes. Then I want you to get on Instagram and take hella photos and post them like the baddie that you are, okay? Now, that's a word and a sermon. And I look good. All right. It's been real, y'all. Like I said, I gotta go somewhere, so I'm about to wrap this up real quick. Y'all gonna see my pictures and see how I finally like did the final look and all of that. But I'm about to walk out the door because this is ready to go right now. All right. But it's been real. Thank y'all so much. Hit that subscribe button only if you want to. I love y'all for watching. See y'all on my next video. Peace.